In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video in Vimeo. Whether you're looking to make fine-tuned edits or want to spruce up your video with some creative touches, Vimeo offers a straightforward video editing tool that makes it easy to enhance your creations. So let's dive into the process and get you started on your video editing journey. First things first, you'll want to log into your Vimeo account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to create one. But once you're logged in, you're all set to begin editing. Next, navigate to your account dashboard where you'll find all your uploaded videos. Here, you need to select the video you wish to edit. Vimeo makes it easy to find your content, so simply browse through your list and click on the video you'd like to work with. Now it's time to open the video editor. In your video settings, you'll see an option labeled Editing. Click on this and then select Video Editor. Vimeo's interface is user-friendly, so you should have no trouble finding your way around. Once inside the editor, this is where the magic begins. Vimeo provides a range of tools to tweak and refine your video. You can start by trimming or cutting your footage to remove unwanted sections. This is made easy with Vimeo's split feature, which lets you divide your video into different segments. It's particularly handy when you want to rearrange parts or focus on highlighting specific sections without the hassle of complicated procedures. If you're looking to add a bit more flair, Vimeo allows you to insert text, transitions, and various effects into your video. This can be particularly useful if you're aiming to narrate your story visually or convey information clearly. Consider experimenting with different fonts and transition styles to see which best complements your content. For those moments when you need additional footage or background music, Vimeo offers a library of stock videos and music tracks. Make use of these resources to enhance the quality of your video and make it stand out. Now that your edits are complete, it's crucial to preview your video. Play it back and make sure everything looks and sounds just right. This step is important to ensure all your edits are cohesive and your video conveys your intended message effectively. Finally, if you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to save your work. Vimeo gives you options to download your video, or even better, share it directly on the platform or across your social media channels, allowing your audience to enjoy your creation. And there you have it. Editing a video on Vimeo can be as straightforward as you make it, with plenty of opportunities for creativity and precision. I hope this guide has demystified the editing process for you, and you're inspired to dive into your projects with confidence. Happy editing!